Hi everyone! Today we're here to talk about something important, Unity Day, a day when schools and communities come together to stand up against bullying and to promote kindness.
On Unity Day, you wear the color orange to show that you believe that nobody should be subjected to bullying, and also that everybody has a role to play in creating a safe and welcoming environment.
In the days leading up to Unity Day, you'll be learning more in your classes about what that means and how we can all stand together against bullying.
This year, KIS will be celebrating Unity Day on October 17th. The entire school will be participating, so make sure to wear orange to show your support.
Also be sure to be on the lookout for anywhere where you can express your thoughts and beliefs in order to create a stronger community. There will be bulletin boards with thought prompts on them, and I highly suggest that you participate as it can help to create a more welcoming environment.
The links we create will be joined together at the end of the week to show our unity and our commitment against bullying.
You can make a difference by being kind, standing up for others, and also making sure that everyone feels like they belong.
Remember to wear the color orange on Unity Day, and also remember, we are stronger together.
Join us on October 17th at KIS to take a stand for acceptance, unity, and inclusion. Remember, unity starts with you.
Silver, are you gonna wear orange on Unity Day?